if you're trying to explain something in your video, then what you can also do is you can go around and add in annotations so that you can capture audience's attention so that they focus on different parts of the videos. So to do that, you need to go around onto the graphics section on the left hand side, and here you can see annotation is an option. I can go around and bring in, let's say, this arrow annotation right here, and this is what you have. So you can place it wherever you want right here, and you can see that this is an arrow, and you can go around and place it so that you can see that the arrow actually appears right here and focuses on this person right here. Let me just go around, right click and duplicate this out as well and keep this on the top. So once I do this, I can go around and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and flip it and then show the arrow just like this. So now what happens is that you can see that now I can let the audience focus on this person right here just like this. So I can go around over here and trim it out as well and then delete the other person so that the arrow only shows on this section. Similarly, you got black arrow right here as well, which works the similar way, but it is black in color. And you can also work around with the arrows right here and apply filters to change out its color and so forth as well. So here you can see that there's many different options right here. You can go around, add in colors and add in duplications and so forth over here, just like with video clips as well. You can go around and click on see more right here, and you can see that there are many different options. For example, there's line and stroke, there is arrows, there's currencies right here, illustrations, burst and so forth. As you can see, there's also speech bubbles right here, and you can use this to make it as if the person is about to say, or let's say think something right here just like this. So let's say this pops up right here and so forth. So you can go around and add in different annotation. You can expand it even further and see different annotations like speech bubble formats right here just like this. So you can add in a heart, let's say, for example, right here just like this, and then this is what you have. So you can go around and add in these little annotations right here, and even go around and fade them in and fade them out right here so that they appear and disappear as the time goes by. And that is how you can go around and add in annotations to create interest in audience, and especially for explaining things in videos inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.